Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an Audi Q5. First, take a moment to get comfortable inside your vehicle. Adjust your driver's seat, side mirrors, and the steering wheel to ensure optimal visibility and reach. Familiarize yourself with the main controls on the dashboard and center console. Understanding these basic elements is crucial for a smooth and confident driving experience in your Audi Q5. To start your Audi Q5, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal, then press the Start/Stop button. Once the engine is running, select your desired gear, typically drive for forward movement or reverse for backing up. Remember to release the electronic parking brake before moving and engage it again when you park to secure your vehicle. This ensures a safe and controlled start to your journey. The Audi Q5 offers a refined driving experience with smooth acceleration and responsive handling. You can tailor this experience using the Audi Drive Select system, which offers modes like efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, and individual. These modes adjust parameters such as engine, steering, and transmission settings. Additionally, leverage advanced driver assistance features, like adaptive cruise control, for a more relaxed and safer journey. When you've reached your destination, bring the Audi Q5 to a complete stop. Shift the gear selector into park and then engage the electronic parking brake to secure the vehicle. Finally, press the Start/Stop button to turn off the engine. Before exiting, quickly check that all lights and accessories are off to conserve battery power. This routine ensures your Audi Q5 is safely parked and ready for your next drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.